Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation, STEM Institute for Elementary School Teachers. Now just a quick overview of the project. This e-mediated science, technology, engineering, and math or STEM professional development project will engage elementary school teachers who are desirous of strengthening the teaching and learning process. This process includes training videos, interactive learning activities, cooperative learning, self-assessment, use of social media, and application concepts such as inquiry-based learning for K-5 learners. Additionally, while focusing on the next generation science standards for learning and digital media resources, the project will provide a repertoire of knowledge and skills for third grade science educators to implement for authentic STEM experiences within the classroom. And as such, the project presents an opportunity for elementary school science educators to both strengthen and deepen their knowledge of science content in relationship to the next generation science learning standards, while broadening their understanding of instructional techniques, tools, and devices for elementary school STEM learning. Now, what are the benefits of participating in this project? Now, this project provides an e-mediated immersive learning opportunity which facilitates science educators' critical thinking, problem solving, and creative expression, further allowing them to think about the many and varied ways they can plan and implement technology-rich lessons by incorporating readily available everyday technology devices or software for their students to use for learning and presentation purposes. Now, why is this important for learners and for education? In addition to improving the teacher's repertoire of skills and knowledge, this e-mediated STEM professional development opportunity will simultaneously serve as a means of targeted intervention for improving students' achievement. Now, I foresee this trickle-down effect because in general, or generally speaking, teachers' professional development ultimately leads to better pedagogy and improved students' learning. And this remarkable feat becomes a reality when teachers are empowered to make meaningful connections between the curriculum, the mandated learning academic standards, and the assessment measures from their school district and by extension the state. Now, where to find my project? Here's the website. And thank you for watching this presentation.